Hey YouTube, this is Sun Prepper One. I'm gonna bring you some breaking news. I read an article and then I really searched on it and got some more information. And then someone sent me a video. So I'm gonna put a link in this for the video. It's awesome, it's 12 minutes long. So much details, but I'm gonna tell you what basically happened. And then some implications, what's gonna happen to us, to the United States, what you should be doing as a prepper. What happened was Ukraine had an 18-month operation where they put some storage containers and shipped them around Russia. Inside these containers, there were drones, and they did some swarm attacks on, I think, 4 Air Force locations, air bases, Russian, and 1 submarine base. It looks like so far they destroyed over 40 planes, and now these aren't just regular MiGs. These are strategic bombers. These are very important aircraft for the Russian military. This is huge. This is probably the biggest thing that I've seen during the war. This is not a good thing. This is going to make Putin want some revenge. And right now, he is definitely moving. The Ukrainian military on the front is collapsing. There's sections where there's no defense, and the Russians are steadily moving. Now, they're not going to do like a blitzkrieg, like, you know, you think about World War II and the Germans. The Russians are slow. They just like to slowly take the territory, and that's what they're doing. But this was a major attack. It took out a lot of aircraft that they used. These are some nuclear bombers. So, Russia's going to want some revenge for this. This definitely was not carried out totally with Ukraine. It definitely had some Western powers to help this, to get this funded, to make this happen. So it doesn't make the world any safer this happen, because it will push Russia maybe to using tactical nuclear weapons, especially when they realize that they're fighting all of Europe and they're fighting the United States, which they know. This is just a proxy war. But as it goes on, it's going to have the ability to turn into a hot conflict between Europe and the United States. Russia will have no other choice but to use tactical nuclear weapons. So I'm going to leave a couple articles, links to that. I'm going to leave a link to the video that one of the subscribers or viewers sent to me. Just keep prepping. That's all I'm going to tell you. Keep prepping. This is a powder keg that could go up, and we might look back 6 months from now and say, hey, that's how World War III started. Just pray for peace. The only people that are losing are average citizens like me and you, being Russian, being Ukrainian. Politicians are getting rich, especially Zelensky. So much corruption over there. So much money is being embezzled, taken. So pray for peace and keep prepping. Thanks for watching.